UFO sightings, now officially termed Unidentified Aerial Phenomena or UAP by the U.S. government, near military installations have been documented for decades, often involving trained pilots, radar confirmation, and even temporary disruptions to operations. These incidents cluster around sensitive sites like air bases, nuclear facilities, and training ranges, raising questions about national security, advanced technology, and potential extraterrestrial interest. While most reports are eventually explained as mundane phenomena, a subset remains unresolved, fueling speculation. UFO encounters over military bases date back to the early Cold War era, coinciding with the dawn of nuclear weapons and high-altitude reconnaissance. The U.S. Air Force's Project Blue Book, 1947 to 1969, investigated over 12,000 sightings, many near bases, concluding that 94% had prosaic explanations like weather balloons or aircraft, but about 6%, roughly 700 cases, were unexplained. One of the most famous cases was what's known as the Roswell incident in July 1947. This happened near the Roswell Army Airfield in New Mexico. A rancher discovered debris from a crashed flying disc. Later press releases called it a flying saucer. Another incident happened at the Malmstrom Air Force Base in Montana. This was named the Malmstrom AFB missile shutdown. Security personnel reported a glowing red orb hovering over the base as 10 nuclear missiles went offline simultaneously. Radar tracked the object. The incident remains unexplained. These cases often involved electromagnetic interference, high speeds defying known aircraft, and proximity to nuclear assets. These patterns are noted in declassified CIA and Air Force documents from the 1950s. Sightings have surged since 2017, with the Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, AARO, reporting over 800 UAP cases by 2023, many near military sites. A 2023 RAND Corporation study analyzed National UFO Reporting Center data and found UAP reports 1.2 times more prevalent within 18 miles of military operations areas than elsewhere. Recent examples include Langley Air Force Base, Virginia, 2023-2024. Multiple drone-like swarms, up to dozens nightly, over this F-22 base and SEAL Team 6 hub. Pilots reported objects evading detection. FBI and DoD investigations ruled out commercial drones but couldn't identify origins. Similar incursions hit Naval Station Norfolk, RAF Lakenheath, UK, November 2024. A UK police helicopter evaded two fast-moving objects that targeted it over this US nuclear-armed base. FOIA released logs contradict initial fighter jet dismissal. Video shows pursuits at 1,500 to 2,000 feet. Iraq jellyfish UAP, 2017 to 2024 releases. MQ-9 Reaper drone footage showed a translucent jellyfish-like object over a U.S. base, changing shape and altitude. Leaked in 2024 by journalist Jeremy Corbell, ARO called it unresolved. Metallic orbs over U.S. bases, 2022 to 2025. Enigma Labs documented 8,000-plus U.S. sightings, with 422 metallic orbs, often 1 to 4 a.m., near bases in New York, California, and Arizona. Over 360 occurred within miles of sites like Fort Hamilton and Los Angeles AFB. 3 cases within 5 miles. ARO's 2024 report noted 21 unresolved cases out of 757. The Pentagon urges reporting without stigma, but full transparency remains elusive. If you're near a base and spot something odd, document it safely and report via NewFork or ARO. The sky's full of secrets. Some of them we can explain and some are still a mystery. In the meantime, keep questioning, keep observing, and keep exploring your universe.